Have you ever wanted to put your logo onto a piece of art or a piece of graphic or a photograph or anything like that? There's many reasons you'd want to do it. One will be just so it gets your brand out there and builds some awareness, or you may want to put it in the middle of your photos so it offers protection from people copying it illegally. You see that done by quite a lot of the stock library firms. Well, I'm going to show you how you do it in Lightroom. Lightroom's a tool you get pretty much for free if you subscribe to Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud. It comes as part of it, so you can just download it and use it. So let's pretend we're going to watermark this windmill shot from above Halifax. First thing you want to do is make sure you're in the library module. So that's where you set that. And then you go to Edit, and down at the bottom of the Edit menu there's Edit Watermarks. So we'll give that a click, and it takes a few seconds just to pop up. So here we are. It's got a watermark down there. Got the option to have just text or a graphic. Your logo is going to be a graphic, unless if you don't have a logo yet, you could just use text. So I could put there we go. And if you wanted to do it that way, you could use any font you wanted, really, I think. And you'll notice that it does have a little anchor point there, so you can make it as big or as little as you want. Better to have your logo because you're trying to advertise your own brand and make it familiar so everyone recognises it. So I'm going to go and grab my logo, which I think is this one here. Note it's a PNG file. PNG files are usually supplied by your logo creator, and they've got transparent backgrounds, so as you see there, it's just McFade, and you can see through the rest of it, these bits here. I mean, if it was a big white box, it'd start to cover things up. The next thing you can do is you can fade it in and out with the opacity slider. Now, if you've got a big logo, a big one with lots of colours and things, it may be worthwhile fading it a little bit, but I'm going to leave it at 100. You can size it in 3 different ways. You can either get it to fit, or proportional, so you can just set it to whatever size you want. Proportional is quite cool because if you have a massive piece of art, it will always look the same size as it would do on a tiny piece of art. It actually just sizes it proportionally to the picture. So I'm going to put it there. And the final bit down here is you can anchor it to various positions like that. And the anchor point you can also get it just a little bit further in by using those 2 sliders there. So that's how you get your logo on there. What you do is you save it, give it a meaningful name. It will come up with a preset name, so you can say Fade Logo 21%. Something to make it memorable against any other presets you've got. So how do we get that onto our piece of art? Like everything in Lightroom, you have to export to get a picture out. So just use these settings, and then you can see watermarking here, and we can open up all the different logos and things we've done. You can see I've got loads of presets here, but I did logo 21% there, and you click on export. Oh, the file already exists. I think I must have exported it yesterday, so what I'll do is I'll use a unique name, and that'll create a brand new name for us. That's created now. So here's a powerful thing in Lightroom. I have no idea where this file is, but you can right click on it and say Show in Explorer. Pops up an Explorer window. We'll have the logo on, proportionally sized. So that's how you do it. The great thing is you can use that logo over and over again forevermore until you get a new computer, because it saves a preset in your user settings. So if I wanted to get this picture here with that logo on, I'd just use the same thing, logo 20%. It's going to come up and tell me that I've already got a copy because I've probably exported that one as well. So I use unique names. We pop back over here, and there we go. There's another one. So you can just keep using that evermore. So that's how you put your own logo using Lightroom. Thanks for watching.